Not every meeting needs the same amount of time. With appointment slot duration, you can control exactly how long each booking lasts in your schedule. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to configure appointment slot duration in Jotform Appointments so each meeting fits perfectly into your calendar. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform Form Builder. Click on the plus icon that says Add Element. From the Form Elements panel on the left, drag and drop the appointment element into your form. Click on the appointment field to activate it. Then select the gear icon to open the Appointment Properties panel. In Appointment Properties, switch to the Availability tab to configure when appointments can be booked. Start with Sync with your calendar if you want to connect your schedule with an external calendar. You can sync with Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Calendly to help prevent double bookings. Now, let's focus on appointment slot duration. This setting defines how long each appointment will last. You can choose preset options such as 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes, or select Custom to define your own duration. This helps ensure every booking fits neatly into your schedule. Next, configure your availability intervals. Use the From and To fields to define when appointments can be scheduled. Select the days, such as weekdays, and add additional intervals if needed. You can also enable lunchtime to block out a break during your working hours. This ensures appointments cannot be scheduled during that period. Once you're done, toggle Preview at the top of the builder to test your scheduling form. And that's how you set appointment slot duration in Jotform Appointments. Create flexible appointment lengths and organize your schedule with precision. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.